Hello friends, welcome to Aditya Higher Mathematics. In this video, I will solve a very interesting question. It is a combo pack question of the limit and integration topic. Now you can see this question. This question already came in CES and NET 2015 June exam. Okay, now we will solve this question using the short tricks. Actually, this question is just looking like a limit and integration related question, and that question is given where you have to find the integration of e to the power minus t square. It is a definite integral where lower limit is x and upper limit is given 2x. After that, you have to find its limit when x tends to 0. And the four options you have to choose. First option is does not exist. Second option is infinite, exist and equals 1. Last option is exist and equals 0. But in this combo pack question of limit and integration, the series short tricks will play the main role. And which type of series tricks I will use, now I am going to discuss. Actually, in this question you can see it is function given exponential function. So here just I will use the exponential function series, then easily we can integrate this. Because there is no standard formula to integrate e to the power minus t square. If it is e to the power minus t, then we can integrate using the formula. But e to the minus t square, there is no integration formula, so that we are taking the help of series. And what is the ex series? 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial up to infinite. And this is an infinite series, and it is valid for whatever x you are taking a real number. That is x belongs to from minus infinite to infinite. Now, but in this question you need to find e to the power minus t square series, so that in place of x I am using minus t square. Okay, then when it is minus t square, what is coming? 1 plus x value we are just putting minus t square, then x square is minus t square whole square, and the remaining same thing only I am writing, x cube is minus t square whole cube. So after that, now I am writing the question. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by x, x to 2x e to the power, it is given as minus t square dt. Okay, so when it is minus t square dt, we can use its series. What is the series? 1 minus, you see plus minus is minus t square, but next its power is even, so you are getting t fourth. After that power is odd, so we are getting negative. So like that it will come infinite series dt. Now you are getting what? 1 minus t square plus t fourth by 2 factorial plus t6 by 3 factorial, which one you can integrate easily. So its integration is t minus t cube by 3. Just I am using the xn formula. You know this, xn dx is xn plus 1 by x n plus 1 power by n plus 1. That power is n plus 1. So since here it is 1, so its integration you will get t, because 0 plus 1 is 1. Next t square, then its integration is obviously 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, t cube by 3, and 4 is 5 by 2 factorial is there, so it is coming 10. Like that it will come. So now, since it is a definite integral, we have to use the limits. That means upper limit minus lower limit for each function. So t is given, so 2x minus x, then t cube, upper limit is 2x, so 2x whole cube by 3, but before sign is negative, so we are getting plus x cube by 3. Next same, 2x power 5 by 10 minus x power 5 by 10 minus down up to infinite. So what it is coming finally, 2x minus x we are getting as x. Next you can see x cube minus 2 cube is there, so x minus 8 x cube is 7x cube by 3, and up to there are infinite terms will come. And why we are not writing infinite terms, we can understand easily, because here x tends to 0 given, so that when we are dividing by x, this is x by x, you will get as 1, and x cube, and when you are cancelling by x, it is coming x square by 3, and the remaining terms whatever it will come, we are just writing dot dot dot, because it is coming as infinite series. Now when x tends to 0, you see only the first term which is not contains 0, but the remaining terms obviously contains 0. So when x tends to 0, all the terms will be 0 except the first term. Because here you are getting x square, similarly next term sure you will get something x. So finally you are getting answer is 1. So its answer is coming what? Exists and equals 1. That means the option C is correct. And it is the problem number 3 of our real analysis more than 100 problem series on the topic sequence and series. For problem 1 and problem 2, the link is given in the description section. You can go to the links and watch these videos. Also some matrices short tricks, function short tricks and number theory short tricks playlist link is there in the description section. You can watch all the videos for your better understanding and improve your problem solving skill. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Then when I will upload more short trick videos, then easily you can watch these videos. Then like, comment and share. Thank you friends.